In today's video, I'm going to show you how to renew an SSL certificate in Namecheap, step by step, so you can keep your website secure without any confusion. If your certificate is about to expire, this quick process will help you renew it in just a few minutes and avoid security warnings on your site. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, log into your Namecheap account using the email address and password connected to your domain or SSL purchase. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the SSL Certificates section. This is where Namecheap keeps all of your active and expiring SSL products in one place. Click on SSL Certificates to open the list. Now find the SSL certificate you want to renew. If you have more than one certificate, double check the domain name so you choose the correct one. This part is important because renewing the wrong certificate can waste time and cause confusion later. After you locate the right SSL certificate, click Renew. Namecheap will take you to the renewal options, where you can choose how long you want to extend the certificate. Select the renewal period that best fits your needs. In most cases, you'll want to choose the option that gives your website enough time before you have to renew again. Once you've selected the renewal term, click Proceed to check out. At this stage, Namecheap will show you the order summary, so take a moment to review everything carefully. Make sure the SSL certificate, renewal period, and pricing all look correct before moving forward. When everything looks good, complete the payment using your preferred payment method. After the payment goes through, your SSL renewal will be processed and your certificate will be extended. Depending on your setup, you may still need to reinstall or reissue the certificate on your hosting account. So it's always a good idea to check your website afterward and to make sure everything is working properly. And that's it. You've now learned how to renew an SSL certificate in Namecheap the easy way. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide.